Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to talk about reduce. So what is reduce? Reduce is a function from Python's function tool module. It takes a function and a sequence like a list and applies the function cumulatively to the items in the sequence. This means it reduces the sequence to a single value. So now let's look at an example. So first of all, we are going to import the module from function tools, import reduce. Then we are going to create, then we are going to create a list sales value which is going to hold the data everyday sales value is 200. Now we are going to create a function it is going to take two arguments and it will simply return the sum of these two values. All right, now we are going to add all this number with the help of reduce function. Let's see how it works. Reduce function, we are going to simply call this module reduce. It is going to take two parameters. One is the function and the second is the list, right? So we are going to call the function sales value, add sales, and then we are going to pass the sales value list. All right, now how it will work, it is going to, so reduce will start with first two numbers in the daily sales list. So and it will add these two values, okay, and this is going to it will add the add sales function to them. So how it will work, it will, the first value will be 200, so plus 500, okay, and the sum of these two value will be so reduce will apply this function to these two values and it will be summed up and the result will be 700. All right, so again reduce will apply the function add sales with this outcome, okay, so it will apply the add sales function like 250, then the sum result will be plus 100, then 150 plus 600. All right, so the result should be, I hope my calculation is correct, all right, so this should be the total of all these sales value, and when we are going to print it, reduce function, okay, the sum sum of sales value now when we are going to print this, this is going to print out 1650 on the console. Alright, so this is the breakdown how it works step by step, and we got the outcome 1650. So this is how we use reduce function in Python. The reduce function is a versatile tool for performing cumulative operations on list. By understanding and utilizing reduce, you can simplify data aggregation tasks and write more concise and readable code. Experiment with reduce in your projects to see how it can streamline your data processing task. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.